Washington sources say President Trump has narrowed his Supreme Court pick to one of three candidates, all federal appeals court judges: Brett Kavanaugh, Raymond Kethledge, or Chicagoan Amy Coney Barrett.
Liberal groups have already geared up to oppose Trump's choice even before the name is known. CBS 2 political reporter Derrick Blakley looks at the first shots being fired in what's expected to be a heated political battle.
A coalition of progressive groups say they're fighting President Trump's Supreme Court pick because of Trump's own promise.
Do you want to see the court overturn Roe v. Wade?
Well, if we put another 2 or perhaps 3 justices on, that's really what's going to be, that will happen. And that'll happen automatically, in my opinion, because I am putting pro-life justices on the court.
And liberal opposition to that campaign pledge has given birth to a digital media campaign. Hashtag Save SCOTUS.
72% of people in the United States, including a majority of Democrats, independents, and even Republicans, do not want to see Roe v. Wade overturned.
We need an independent jurist who will consider each case based on the issues, not on politics.
And the same progressive groups contend Chicago Appeals Court Judge Amy Coney Barrett is not that jurist.
An issue of faith.
They believe the Notre Dame law professor and mother of 7 would likely overturn Roe versus Wade, and so do some conservatives.
She is a practicing Catholic, that she accepts children as a welcome blessing from God, and has even adopted 2 more from Haiti. She's more on the pro-life side than the pro-choice side.
David Applegate is a member of the Federalist Society, one of the conservative legal groups that provided President Trump with a roster of judicial candidates for the High Court. And all 3 finalists, including Judge Barrett, appear on that list. By the way, Rob and Erica, the president says he will reveal his choice at 8 p.m. Monday night.
So has he given any other indication about which way he may be swaying as far as these last 3 or perhaps 4?
Not really. He gave some kind of confusing guidance on the plane trip he was taking to Montana, saying he had narrowed it down to 4, or maybe 2. He's keeping everyone guessing.
Okay. Thank you, Derrick.